Hard work, smart work, you can say
हाँ.
part of a destiny somehow.
Destiny, हाँ.
Much more important.
हाँ.
If someone is making efforts,
Effort.
but if they don't have any kind of luck,
Luck,
I
हाँ.
don't think some kind luck is some kind of a superstitious thing.
हाँ.
It works somehow. 60% luck is always works. That's what I believe.
एवरीवन, अभी मैं नाइट वॉक पे लेक के पास आया था वॉकिंग के लिए. यहाँ पे मुझे 2 पर्सन मिले. आज हम थोड़ा उससे बातचीत करेंगे. तो हेलो हेलो एवरीवन. सबसे पहले पूछेंगे कि लाइफ में हमारे यहाँ सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ होती है पैसा. तो पैसों के बारे में अगर आपका क्या व्यू है, क्योंकि आजकल के युवा सब क्विक मनी के पीछे भागते हैं और बोलते हैं कि कलयुग सिर्फ पैसों की वजह से आया है. तो उसके लिए आपका व्यू अगर जानना चाहे तो कि हाँ, और आपकी भी लाइफ में अभी तक आपने जो पैसे कमाने के लिए एफर्ट किए हैं, तो आपके एफर्ट में हार्ड वर्क स्मार्ट वर्क का भी अगर कोई
Hard work, smart work, you can say
हाँ.
part of a destiny somehow.
डेस्टिनी, हाँ.
Much more important.
हाँ.
If someone is making efforts,
Effort.
but if they don't have any kind of luck,
लक, हाँ.
I don't think some kind luck is some kind of a superstitious thing.
हाँ.
It works somehow. 60% luck is always works. That's what I believe.
And believe or not, they believe or not, luck is
Absolutely.
luck is a part of
Luck is a part of life as
our
well.
life.
Yeah.
Life, right. No one can achieve big thing without some.
Yes.
Uh,
What is your opinion, man?
yeah.
I have read one quotation that combination of hard work and smart work
Smart work.
is always greater than the luck. So there is
Okay.
some portion of luck we can say, but it's not totally dependent on luck factor.
Okay. Okay. One thing we want to question you that how much you put, how much you give allocation hard work and smart work between 100 in percentage. How much percentage you give luck hard work and how much percentage you will give smart work, luck, hard work and luck. So how?
I'll say you should be always ready for hard work, always
Okay.
and always. You should not ever think about the luck of even one person. When you are starting something or any action,
Okay.
it is required to your efforts
Effort.
are always should be directed in the way of hard work.
Hard work,
You should
okay.
always think before beginning of any work that I
Okay.
will need to put lots of hard work in this.
Okay.
You have to prepare your mind first in that way, and then if luck comes, and that is the added thing.
Oh.
So yeah.
Okay. And your opinion? You want to-
Maybe I believe in some kind of, if you have the proficiency to in your any kind of a stream in
Uh-huh.
which you work,
Okay.
so it always works. So
Okay.
I believe that hard work is also necessary. I agreed with the hard working
hard
as well.
work. Okay.
But if you have the smart work, like how to you know when you are earning something,
Okay.
and if you have the ability to compound it,
Okay.
it is much more necessary as well.
Ah.
So rather than hard working, smart work is also there, and your institutional insights is also necessary.
Also necessary.
To
yes.
build a wealth.
Well,
So that is
Okay.
worth it as well.
okay.
Yeah.
And if you can ask me that my opinion is 95% luck and 5% work.
Yeah.
Hard work. Because my opinion is different because it says that God has planned everything for before we born.
Yes.
So that is also a different way of thinking.
Yes.
That we when we grow, that we will grow in that way that God plan our destiny.
Absolutely.
And if we want to grow, then we put effort on it and we work on it. And if we try multiple things, then we find that I will made for this thing, so we can grow easily.
Yes.
So
That is
That is-
logical. Everything is good.
everything logic.
We
Every,
can say that is a good
uh,
belief, and that is giving you positivity.
Positivity,
That God
हाँ.
has made the good plans for you, and that is all about the luck. You are very much positive about your luck.
luck.
That is good thing.
Okay. That is okay. And second thing, we want to ask you that your hobby. Are you
Yes,
interested
absolutely.
in
Yes. If
fitness,
you want to be if you
Bollywood?
want to be happy, and if you want to get a happy, there is also some spare time for you and
Okay,
for
huh.
surrounding to the persons.
Okay,
So
huh.
everyone is necessary. Sometimes you don't have to always have to make an efforts for money,
Money,
to build a wealth. You also need to calm your mind.
Mind,
Just
huh.
just go and surrender yourself to the nature.
Okay,
It is also
yes,
much
yes.
more necessary.
Okay.
So yeah, I believe the same way. Yes, one should at least once in a week you should you have to spare some time for yourself as well.
Which you will get happiness from that, and
Yeah,
you enjoy it really that thing.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
You do any activities like this? You enter Bollywood or fitness or?
So he is like man of Bollywood, I would say.
Arey, wow.
Like master in
Have you even
can ask
tried?
anything and he will answer.
Arey,
Yeah.
so
Yes.
you will try?
Movies.
Okay.
Yes. But I liked to watch the movies on the earlier times of the 2000 and prior to the 2000. But
Okay.
now onwards, like after 2020, I might feel that the content is not up to the mark now. Sorry to say.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Quality is maybe compromised
Yes,
in
yes.
Bollywood.
Yes.
And South quality is very
Yes,
improved.
absolutely.
What do you think?
Yeah. Somehow I believe.
Yeah.
Somehow I
So,
believe because yes,
Yeah.
when
And-
you watch some movies and if you don't stick to up to 2 hours or more than 2
You
hours,
should not feel
it's
like
a boring.
You have wasted your 3 hours. You
Yes,
have wasted
yes.
your 3 hours. That should not be the feeling after watching any movie.
Yes.
You should gain
Yes.
something.
Yes.
Okay. And in Bollywood also, so everyone says that any Bollywood pictures you will find a love story.
Yeah, rom-com.
Without
Maybe
without
rom-com.
love story, you cannot find any Bollywood.
Yes,
Bollywood
rom-com,
movie.
rom-com. Yes.
so
Rom-com
it-
movies are there.
Uh-huh.
And also conceptual movies. It's not like that. Many movies like I have seen I must want to recommend to your audience as well.
Yes.
एक डॉक्टर की मौत करके एक फिल्म है.
Uh-huh.
That your yes offbeat film and it's one of the finest film if one want to and it's a very underrated film.
Underrated. Okay. Because
हाँ.
many rare
तो
people-
उसमें मतलब कि जो जिस तरीके से वो मतलब कि वो पिक्चराइजेशन किया है और जो मतलब पर्सपेक्टिव डाला है मतलब आदमी का
हाँ.
तो you have to find out कि how the movies are made in that
Okay,
time.
okay.
So yes,
Please check out the doctor.
एक डॉक्टर की मौत,
एक डॉक्टर की मौत.
पंकज कपूर.
पंकज कपूर. अरे उसका अरे क्या बात है, वो तो सभी लोगों का
Yes.
फेवरेट हीरो है वो.
Yes.
पंकज कपूर. ओके, ठीक है.
Yes.
तो और आपके लाइफ में दूसरी सबसे इंस्पायर मूवी आप बोलना चाहे तो कि?
अरे भाई बहुत ही फिल्म
बहुत
देखी है,
ही।
फिल्म देख के अब बड़े हो चुके हैं.
हाँ वो है.
तो अभी तो हम मतलब कि फिल्म्स में मतलब कि अभी तो ऐसी मतलब कि बहुत कहानियां नहीं देखी है
हाँ,
कई
हाँ,
सालों से.
हाँ, वो
पर जो भी देखी थी पहले जैसे एक डॉक्टर की मौत और आपने मतलब देखी भी होगी जाने भी दो यारों भी देखी होगी शायद.
हाँ नाम देखिए. हाँ
हाँ
एक बार
तो
देखिए.
वो भी एक बढ़िया फिल्म थी.
हाँ वो
तो
है.
मतलब कि अगर देखा जाए कि कंटेंट और आपको जो मतलब कि जैसे मतलब आपको एज अ ऑडियंस आपको जो मतलब कि देखना है टू जो राइटर कैसे कंटेंट बनाते हैं और डायरेक्टर कैसे कंटेंट बनाते हैं.
हाँ
वन शुड हैव टू वॉच.
वॉच.
Yes.
Yes.
If they are interested only, then
हाँ
terms and conditions apply.
यस.
Yes.
और वेब सीरीज भी आप देखते हो?
हाँ वेब सीरीज तो बहुत मैं नहीं देखता हूँ. वेब सीरीज ये भाई देखते हैं मेरे.
क्या बात है. तो सबसे अब बेस्ट वेब सीरीज आपकी लाइफ में जो वो इंस्पायर आपको की होती है उसका नाम अगर देना चाहे तो कि या फिर
Yeah, I'm
कोई भी
watching,
ड्रामा.
recently I'm watching Dark web series.
Dark.
It's quite good. Yes, there are 3 parts. Currently I'm
Okay.
watching the first one, and it's all about the time traveling and black hole theories and all.
Okay.
So I'm just watching it. But if you talk about my taste in movies,
Mhm.
so and the movie which is motivating me currently, and you can pick any movie based on our defense.
डिफेंस.
Yes,
यस
I feel very pride and very motivated
हाँ
to do my job, to work harder. Once I
Okay.
see our real heroes
Ah,
on the ground,
on the
I
ground.
feel really motivated. So yeah, they are all motivated. I don't like that masala movies, that kind of things. But yeah, any movie which is based on our defense,
ओके.
so that is motivating. for
वेट
me.
मोटिवेटिंग रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज एंड बायोग्राफी टाइप मूवीज
Yes, yes, that is also.
तो काफ़ी कुछ जानना मिला आप दोनों से बात करके
अरे
Okay.
सेम यार बॉस।
ओके थैंक यू। तो आपका बात काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। अगर आप लास्ट में
Yes,
कुछ
same.
बताना चाहे तो कि
Yes.
बाय वगैरह कुछ बोलना चाहें तो best है।
हाँ, आपके ऑडियंस को हम मतलब कि वी वांट टू विश दैट योर चैनल विल गेट मोर एंड मोर सक्सेस एंड योर फॉलोअर्स विल get such kind of the yes best wishes from our side that you will get such a recognizable
हाँ
views on your channels.
engagement,
That's the
हाँ।
best wish from our side.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपसे बात करके काफ़ी अच्छा लगा।
Same here, same here. जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
वंदे मातरम।
वंदे मातरम। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। ब्लॉग के रिगार्डिंग अगर कोई सजेशंस हो तो कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे। पीस आउट।